Hi everyone, bienvenidos al canal. I'm craving something sweet, so I'm gonna be making myself, well, I have here some yogurt, the peach flavor, this is the Walmart brand, whatever, and a mango, and I also have some strawberries that I had gotten recently. I got a lot of them. These were frozen, and that's why I have this on a plate, because they were already defrosting and or thawing, I should say. And the liquid is coming out the bottom. So I'm just gonna be mixing this thing and maybe adding a little bit of a chocolate syrup that I have here, this kind, on top of it, to give it a little bit more flavor. Hoy tengo una gana de comer algo dulce, so voy a estar haciendo un yogur. Bueno, el yogur ya lo tengo hecho, es este de melocotón, y con este mango. También fresas que tengo, que las tenía frisadas y de por sí pues se están desfrizando, y por eso las tengo encima de este plato. Y le voy a echar almendra y también coco. I also forgot that I will be adding some coconut chips on it. Let's get started. Maybe I should just peel this the easy way. Maybe that's what I'm gonna do. Voy a pelar esto de la forma fácil. My husband had some overripe watermelon here at the house, and he didn't like what they tasted like, so he threw it in the garbage, and there's like fruit flies everywhere, and I can't stand it. I'm trying to get rid of them, but
No, Anthony, please.
Ooh, these are extremely soft. Están bien blanditas. I think tomorrow I will make a smoothie with the rest because they're really soft. Creo que mañana voy a terminar haciendo las demás como que en un smoothie porque de verdad que están demasiado blanditas. Maybe I should mix it up. Las voy a mezclar. And here's the final result. Este es el resultado final. Tasty dessert. Un postre saludable pero delicioso al mismo tiempo. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe and like. And then that way YouTube can share my content with other people. Les agradezco por ver mi contenido. Les invito que si no se han suscrito que se suscriban y dejen su like para que así YouTube pueda compartirlo con otras personas. Gracias.
Vamos juntos para arriba.